Okay, good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss continue about chapter 4 new lesson. Yesterday we will continue. Yesterday we will already chapter 3 completed nation, nationality and nationalism. Now chapter 4 political concepts. Chapter 4 political concepts. Political concepts. Introduction. Okay. Introduction. Political concept and categories. Which categories are including of political concept? Which type of categories? There are divided from 5 types of categories. How many type of categories? 5 types of categories. The 5 types of categories. 5 types of categories. Okay, the political concept. This is the new lesson of the CEC first year. Okay, English medium students. So, political concept about 5 types of categories are there. The 5 types of categories are including of the first one, law. Second one, liberty. Third one, equality. Next, fourth one, justice. Next, last fifth one, political authority. Political authority. Okay, today we will discuss about political concept introduction. Political concept introduction. The political concepts divided from in these categories. How many type of categories? In this system, 5 types of categories are there. Number 1, law. Number 2, liberty, and number 3, equality. Okay, number 4, justice, and fifth one, political authority, political power. Okay, what is the main political concept in political science? Political science, it is not only small subject. This is the one of the group of social sciences. Already we will discuss in the previous classes. Chapter 1, political science. Okay, and this is the very large and complex type of system. Number 2. So this is the mainly the concept. What is main concept? The political concept. We will change social groups. We will daily life also. We will listening to daily life, and we will follow the daily life. Okay, we will compulsory see the daily in our daily features. Okay, in every government how to conduct the system of political and opposition parties. Okay, opposition parties how to evade the problems. Opposition system, opposition party system. Okay, and ruling party. So ruling party, opposition parties. So opposition and ruling party here how to depend on the in this concept. Okay. The political concept divided from 5 types of categories. These 5 types of categories mainly successful of the political system and help of the political concept. Okay. Number 1, law. First one we will discuss about first method, law. So this is the one of the this is one of the biggest type of system political concept. Law is actually this is the in different law. This is which word? Mainly Latin word. Okay, this is the law is law. One of the Latin word lag. L-A-G. Lag means it is rule. Okay, to self rule, rule or self. rule of the system, ruled. Log is the one of the derived from Latin word. It is the log. Log means in English Oxford Dictionary. In English word rule. Okay, to rule. Okay, to rule. So this is the law. Mainly, it is permanent part of the in every political views, political concept. So this law also divided so many types of categories. Example: criminal law, civil law. Okay, and next minority type of laws, minority. Okay, next constitutional law. Okay, educational law. Next the majority type of the laws. Okay, property law. Okay, different categories also, so many type of. Here total multi type of system there in this law. This law is not only a single word. This is the so many types of meanings are there. So many type of definitions. Under the Williamson's and next Wellington's, next Hamburg University. So many type of categories mainly clearly explained in this law system. Okay, Hamilton and other Wellington. Okay, next to John Marshall. Okay, there are so many type of categories. The so many type of persons mainly explained law. The law is the only system of the self-governance. System of the in every political concept. The political concept how to successful. This political concept to successful mainly depend on some type of categories. The categories also mainly sometimes change every year or every time, sometimes change the categories. Number 2, liberty. Liberty is also one of the main concept of the political theory. Main categories of the political theory. Liberty means liberal. Like it is also called freedom. Freedom of the country. Okay, liberty of the India. Liberty of US. Freedom. Liberty people. Mainly political viewers, the people mainly types in people's totally mainly follow the in liberal type of system, liberal government. Okay, liberty is also one of the main important word of the political concept. Liberty and equality, justice, political authority. Okay. So, on the constitution, every government, every country of the constitution, liberty is one of the main important of the word. Every country of the constitution, every government, people's liberty, people's no liberal, no it's not a freedom of the country. People do the work any work. Okay, we will settle any place. We will discuss any area. Okay, it is one of the freedom. Okay, British government period India no liberty. Example. Now liberty type of freedom there every category of every society. So the liberty is also one of the main type of category political concept or political theory. So this liberty is also mainly under the so many articles. Articles also there in this liberty system articles. Okay. Next number 3, equality. Equality is also all are equal before the law. All are equal before the law. This is the mainly under the which system justice under the rule of law. Okay. Equality for all people. Equality mainly here equality gender bias. Equality gender bias. Next caste. Next religious. All are equal religions. Religions. All are equal religions. It is also called secular. India is a secular country. Why? It is religious. All different. Hindu, Muslim, Christians, Sikh. Okay. Buddhism, Jainism, etc. Here different type of group of citizens living in our country. Okay. This is religious different, but equal for under the constitution group, under constitution system. So equality, it is one of the main part of the political concept. How to successful the political main introduction. The introduction about the political concept is successful of the not only elections, not only direct ruling. Okay, election is compulsory, ruling law is compulsory. And next others means law is compulsory in every political system. And the law is also stored so many type of difference, so many difference are there. There is different type of categories under the judiciary system. Okay, under the judiciary system. Here single judiciary system from India, example, single judiciary system. But our dual judiciary system under the controlled by the US government, American government. India is a single judiciary system. Okay, so this is the main categories of the concept of political theory. Next, justice. Equality after number 4, justice. Justice for all people. Justice, it is main important every citizen. Justice. Okay, in role of caste ways, religions ways, okay, and social economical ways. Every people compulsory follow the rules and regulations under the constitutional rules. For example, rights. Okay, here freedom of the right to freedom. So many type of rights there. The rights and dare to principles of state policy. Okay, and the political concepts. Here mainly rules and regulations. So justice is also all are equal justice. Under the category, the justice is also mainly important of the word every political concept, also successful of the political theory and political concept and political system. Justice is also every person of country, every citizen of the India. Example, every citizen of the India compulsory we follow the justice. Justice is mainly help of not only rich, not only poor. It is mainly we will follow for every categories, every caste. Okay, minority reservation categories, upper caste categories. Okay, next reservation type of system in religions, Muslims, Christians, not only Hindus also, Hindu and other categories. Equality, it is equality and justice for all our people. Okay, next number 5. Political authority. Political authority means the power of the system, political concept. Authority is also one of the main important. The law is mainly it is delivered. The political authority is also okay. The law is a political science. Okay, the law is a political science of the concept, and political authority is also mainly maintenance of the political views. Okay, opposition governments, for example, the political authority mainly opposition parties and first one ruling parties versus opposition parties. Ruling parties, opposition parties. It is ruling parties and opposition parties, right? Versus mainly effect of the political authorities. For example, in political parties, how many types? 2 types. Okay. For example, national party and regional party. Okay. National party means compulsory. The national party measure of the minimum 3 or 4 states. 3 or 4 states under the ruling of the national party. Regional party, only state. These are party depend on only state-wise parties, regionals. Okay, area, regional, state-wise. So the ruling parties, opposition parties, ruling parties versus opposition parties. Under the political authority, the control of the political system, controlling of the political power, maintenance of the political power. Okay, the political authority is also one of the main concept of the political system. The political system, it is the under the should be controlled by the every citizen. Should be controlled by the every citizen. The political concept. So this not only control, it is mainly social structure of the system. It is political authority, one of the social structure of the system, and controlled by the every political views, every political categories, every political candidate. Okay, the political concept under the meaningful. So, in this chapter, first one we shall discuss about the what is main concept of the political science. Political concepts. How many types? How many types? Five types. Law, liberty, equality, justice, and political authority. First one, there is what is political concept introduction. Okay. The introduction about political concept. This is the large and complex type of system. Next to this phenomenon, the phenomenon totally affected on the political theory system. The political concept not only political parties, every citizen or every person, mainly maintenance of the in this system, in this concept. Every person mainly follow the concepts, systems. Okay, it is direct ruling of the every government, every independent government and other ruling of the system. Okay, here parties only mainly change of the under the control by the Constitution of India. Okay, under the Constitution divided from the how many parties? Two political parties. Number one, ruling parties. Ruling party means like example. There are ruling parties means power ruling under the direct ruling of the power system. Okay. Actually, it is the two parties there. Actually, how many type of parties? Two parties. National parties and the regional parties. Okay, the national party mainly belongs to three or four states ruling parties. Four states of power of the under the government. It is called national parties. Next to regional parties. The regional parties belongs to depend on the state only. The state-wise parties. It is called the ruling parties. The ruling parties power, national parties power is two type of power under the independent constitutional system of the power, constitutional countries. Every constitution countries mainly if we follow the every democratic principles, right principles. Okay, and state policy system. The state policy system under the how many type of categories? Five types of categories. Law is compulsory. Every citizen or every government, every political concept law is compulsory. Next to liberty is also we want main freedom, liberty. We want justice. We want justice also. By means this is not only deliverable, not only effect on the only one category. The justice for all, equality, justice for equal. Okay, justice for all are equal. Justice for not only one side. It is multi-complex. It is the multi-complex and it is the system is under the control by the constitutional system, constitutional remedies, equality, justice, okay, property and tax, okay, and director principles. These are total under control by the constitution. Okay, next to number 5, political authority. The political authority is also main power of the political concept. Okay, the political conceptual system, it is the two parties only, mainly here overall two major parties there. The two major parties, opposition parties and ruling parties. Ruling and opposition parties. Main power ruling parties only. Opposition parties, this type of parties. Mainly, this type of parties mainly demanded and ruled from the other categories. We will get chance. We will get a chance to the elections. We will get a chance to the peoples. We will get a chance to the elections period. Okay, the elections period also free and fair Canada elections. Not only one side, free and fair and compulsory term. Term means every 4 or every 5 Canada elections. Okay, under the ruling of the political government, under the ruling of the justice system. Okay, so it is the main concept of the political theory system. Political concept how to successful. The political concept successful of the main 5 types of categories. Okay. This law particularly, first one law, the law mainly here rules main types there. Number one, particularly main important civil law. Next criminal law. It's not only two types, so many types are there. But main the law there mainly two types of categories: civil law, criminal law. Murder and next theft. Okay, murder and theft. This is the criminal law. Civil law, dowry and divorce. Okay, dowry and divorce. This is under the mainly civil law. Thus law and system. And next Information Act. Law is also called one of the act, political act. Law is also called act. Okay, 1958 Act, 1919 Act, 1947 Act. Act is under the system of the law. Okay, law and act. The law is also mainly civil and criminal law and other national, regional type of law is also counted. So this is the main chapter of the political concept. Okay, the political concept. Next, this is the main political system of the every government, every country, every nation. Okay, previous classes we will read about the nationality, nationalism. Okay, the nation is also common language, national language. The political concept is also common, political concept, political system. Someone we want to mainly we will discuss every political leader. We will discuss not only every citizen, political leaders also discuss it. Okay, this is the main part of the categories political concept. Children, okay, tomorrow mainly about law. What is the meaning of law? Okay. Next, how many types of law? Another categories. The law is mainly different types of categories are there. Okay. The law are act, constitutional rules. What to call the law under the constitutional rules? Okay. This is details. The law is not only judicial system. It is one of the act also. So this type of law and these are details clearly explained tomorrow class. Okay, students, thank you.